Now, okay, let us, we discussed in that, I think already I was uploaded videos, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, part 1, part 2, part 3. Now we should discuss the regarding the part 1 and the part 2 formulas and part 3. I was given three cases, three different videos, level wise. I was given that three different formulas wise I was given videos regarding this. Now in this video we have to see the part 2, part 1 and part 2. What are the concepts we discussed regarding this? We have to see the problem solving analysis we have to see right now. Okay, now let us will go for one by one the problems. Number one, first problem, the area, the radius of circle. Write down the problem. The radius of the circle, the radius of the circle is 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Find find area and perimeter of a circle. This is the question. Now solution is, what he has to do, first he has to take given information. What they mentioned, radius of circle they mentioned. Let us, we has to draw a circle. This is the radius of circle. Let us, radius of circle small r. What is the value of small r? 7 centimeters. Let us take the radius of circle is 7 centimeters. Now what they're asking, area and a perimeter. Please take area formula. What is the area of a circle? The formula is pi r square. Please substitute the value. Pi means what? 22 by 7. I told you.
24
R
by
square means what?
22 by 7.
R square means what? 7 into 7. Okay. It is by 1. It is by 1. Just you cancel 7, 7. Okay. Now you have to do 22 into 7. 22 7 is how much? Please to should multiply. 7 2 is 14. 7 2 is 14 plus 1 15. So answer is 154 centimeters square. 154 centimeters square you have to. The units will be very important. Centimeter square.
Area.
Why centimeter square means this 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. That is what the area of the circle is, 154 centimeter square. Clear? The first thing is clear, I think so from my side. Please copy the answers. Next one, perimeter of the circle. The second thing is a parallel you should work with V. The perimeter of the circle means what? What is the formula? 2 pi r. The perimeter of circle is formula is 2 pi r. Now please substitute the value 2 into pi value enta nana 22 by 7. R means 7. Clear? Just 7 7 cancel. Clear? Now 22 into 4 enta 44. 44 centimeter only, because only the radius is centimeter. So other centimeter. The perimeter of circle is centimeter. Okay, the concept is here clear. We have a circle. The perimeter means here how much the distance should be required to cover the fencing. How much length of thread is required? 44 centimeter. It means what they mentioned, I have a thread of my circle radius is 7 centimeter like this. I have 7 centimeter like this, but how much a thread is required for this to make this, the length of thread is 44 centimeters. That is required. Clear now? This is the question for circle. Now we are into second case. Second question, you can take problem number 2. P2 is problem number 2. The side of square, the side of square is 4 centimeters. The side of square is 4 centimeter. Find the area and perimeter of square. Area and perimeter of square. Area and perimeter of square. Clear? So please let us, after given, please draw the circle. This is a square. The square, all sides are same. That is what they mentioned. One side it is a 4 centimeter. All are 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. They're asking the area and perimeter. Now let us take side. Let us take S is 4 centimeter. What's the area of a side, Nana? Formula S into S. Now that is nothing but 4 centimeters into 4 centimeters. The answer is 16 centimeters square. That is important. Clear? Now we have to go for a perimeter.
Okay.
What's the perimeter of a square? 4 into S. Now very good. Now 4 into 4 centimeter. What is the answer, Nana? 4 4 ja
16 centimeters.
16 centimeter,
16
not centimeter,
meters.
16 centimeter. Now it is very clear. That is, the units are very important. Now it is not, you think that it is very simple, but competitive examination, you are going to be miss the answer. That is why units are very important. Now second thing is clear. Can I move to next question? Okay,
Yeah.
let us make it fast. It's very simple. Just you take a formula, what the data mentioned, let us substitute a formula, you are going to get it the answer. It's very simple concept. Our thing is what the given data, what they're asking. Now let us third question. The radius of
The radius of
circle is, same question, 7 centimeters. Find the semicircle. Find the semicircle area and the perimeter. Find the semicircle area and perimeter. The question is semicircle. Question is semicircle. So data they mentioned. This is a circle. The radius is 7 centimeters. They want asking semicircle means please draw the semicircle like this. Semicircle means radius is 7 centimeters. Same circle you make it of same
7
radius.
centimeters.
So I think we are very clear about the formulas. What is the area of a semicircle? Pi r square
Area
by
of
2.
semi
Pi r
pi r
square by
square
2.
by 2.
So it is 1
2.
by 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7. This 7 cancel. Okay. Now 2 1 ja 2 11 ja. 11 7 ja 77. Answer is 77
77.
centimeter square. Area of semicircle. Next, perimeter of semicircle means what? What is the formula?
2, 2 pi
2, 2
2
pi
pi
r
r
by 2
square by
plus 2r.
2
2 to cancel.
plus 2.
Now you can write pi r plus 2r. Okay. Now you substitute a value.
22,
So
22
here,
by
here you can take r is common, then pi plus 2 you can do. Then you substitute a value better. R is what? 7.
7.
Then now what is this here? 22 by 7 common. 22 by 7 plus 2. Okay. Then I'll 7
Okay.
into 22 by 7 plus 2. I think 22 by 7. LCM is 7. 2 7s are 14. This is a clear.
14.
7 7 cancel. 22 plus 14. The answer is 36.
That's
So 36 centimeter is answer.
okay.
I think you are uncomfortable. You can substitute here also. Pi r plus 2r, you will get an answer. No problem. You can do take separately. You can substitute with same answer. You'll get. The calculation is our own wish. How much the platform which you are comfortable, you can take it out. Okay. Now it's very clear. Can I move to next page?
Yeah. Right, right.
Now finished. We are circle is finished. Then after semicircle is finished. Then previously we finished a square also. Now we are trying to turning back with me rectangle. I'll
Okay.
go for a question with rectangle. Okay. Now let us.
Okay.
The fourth one is rectangle. Please copy the question with me. It's better.
Okay.
The length of rectangle is 5 centimeter and its breadth 4 centimeter. Find its area and perimeter. So they mention rectangle length and breadth. They're asking the perimeter and area. Please draw the rectangle. The rectangle length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. The longest one is length, the shortest one is breadth. That he has to know. Then
Okay.
after this, you people has to know the formulas. What's the area of rectangle, Nana?
Area
Length
of
into breadth,
rectangle is L into
L into B. So please substitute the value L. Substitute value of breadth. What is the answer?
4.
20 centimeters square. Area I put centimeter square. Next perimeter is what? L plus B plus L plus B. 2L plus 2L plus 2B.
2.
Substitute 2 into 5 plus 2 into 4.
5,
5 2
4,
are 10, 4 2 are 8. Answer is
10,
18. 18 centimeter
18
only.
centimeter.
Hmm. This is a centimeter. This is also centimeter. So centimeter plus centimeter, 2 centimeters. Automatically multiply means you not say a centimeter. So it is only centimeters. All are lengths only. So length of the rectangle, breadth is mentioned. They are asking area perimeter. Now we are very comfortable. Okay, clear now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shall I move to
Yeah.
next problem?
Yeah.
Make it fast. You people has to write the question with me and do your answer. If you know comfortable, start working with me.
Okay.
The thing is what you must be read the question thoroughly. What they mentioned data, you has to write a length like this and a breadth like this. Then you can understand. Then draw the diagram. The diagrammatically you can get an understanding is more compatible to that theoretic analysis. Yeah. Now rectangle is finished. Okay. Now we move back to that next question in parallelogram. The length of parallelogram, the length and the breadth of parallelogram, the length and the breadth and the height, you can write height also. The length, breadth and height of parallelogram is as follows, as follows: 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 2 centimeters. Find its area and perimeter. This is a total question only. What they mention? They mention length is 5 centimeters, breadth is 4
5
centimeter,
centimeters. Then
height
it's
is
4
height is 2
centimeters.
cent, height is 2 centimeter.
2
They're asking
centimeters.
area and perimeter. First, he has to take a question of solution. He has to copy. L is equal to 5, B is equal to 4, H is equal to 2. Then immediately, or being a student, please draw the diagram. Then faculties understand very clearly. Then he has to write all this what they mentioned. It is 5, it is 4. This is a height. This is a 2 centimeter. Clear? Now you are very punctual. The formulas. Now let us start working. What is the area of a parallelogram?
Length into height.
The length into height. The area of parallelogram. What's the value of length, Nana? 5. What's the value of height? 2.
5.
The answer is 10
2.
centimeters square.
10 centimeters square.
Very good. Next perimeter. Perimeter means I think you know L into B, L plus B, L plus B. So similarly, 2L plus 2B. As usual, 2 into 5 is 2 into 4. The answer is 10 plus 8. Answer is 18 centimeters.
18
Similarly,
centimeters.
this is a look like a rectangle model of perimeter is same. It's very clear. Problem number 5 is we have finished. Okay. Now we go back to the problem number 6. Over problem number 6, P6. Now problem number 6 is okay. The side of rhombus is 4 centimeter and its diagonals are 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Then find its area and perimeter. Find its area and perimeter. First thing is, question is what rhombus. First you draw the rhombus. First of all, rhombus figure. I think you know very comfortable. Please draw the figure rhombus. Okay. Then after what they mention, the side they mention. What is the side? This is a 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter because rhombus one side they mention, all sides are same. No more questions. Then they mentioned diagonal length. They mentioned one diagonal is 6 centimeter, one diagonal is 4 centimeter. I think according to my understanding, the longest one it is taking it is 6 centimeters. The shortest one you feel it is a 4 centimeters. Shortest one is 4 centimeters. So according to their confirmation, we should start working over here. Solution. What they mention area they are asking. What's the area of the rhombus? I think here you can take the D1 is 6 centimeters, the D2 is 4 centimeter, the side is 4 centimeter. Okay, no problem. What's the area of rhombus? Half into D1 into D2.
Half into D1 into D2.
So half into what's the diagonal D1? 6 into 4. So 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 4s are 12. The answer is 12 centimeter square. Nice. Now perimeter is what? Same. Perimeter was 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. It is 4s, nothing but 16 centimeter. Now it's very clear. Okay. Please copy the answer now.
Right.
Everywhere you have to understand the units. Area means centimeter square. The perimeter is length. It is 16 centimeter.
6 centimeters.
Okay. Now go back to the next problem. The length else the adjacent sides of the kite are adjacent sides of kite are as follows in the figure below. In the figure below,
Figure.
and its diagonals are 6 centimeter and 4 centimeters. 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters.
4 centimeters.
Okay. In the question, they will mention the diagram also, because I told you the diagonals. That is what I should give the diagonal lengths. Sorry, this adjacent sides. Okay. The adjacent side. This is some. Let us take a 5 centimeters. This is one set. This is I'm taking the 10 centimeters. Another adjacent sides. This is a question already mentioned. From your go for a solution case. Here we have to take the diagonal dimension 6 centimeters. So you feel it is longest one is 6 centimeters. The shortest one is 4
4
centimeters.
centimeters.
This is only data they mention.
Okay.
Now he has to take the diagonal D1 is 6, diagonal D2 is 4. Adjacent sides S1 case is 5 centimeters. S2 other adjacent side is 10 centimeters. This comes on the S1 side. This comes on the S2 side. The thing is, it's a data dimension. Okay. Now let us, you are toppers. Now let us take the formulas. What's the area of a kite? Similar of
Half
D1 into
D1 into D2.
Same. Half into D1 means what? 6. D2 means what? 4. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. The answer is 12 centimeter square. Now the interesting thing is perimeter. What's the perimeter of this kite means? Add all the sides. What are the sides? 5 plus 10.
5 plus 10.
The answer is 10 plus 10. The answer is 30 centimeters. Okay. Now this is a discussion about the thing of your part 2 video discussion we are already completed. Clear? Am I clear? It's the rest of the things we will see in the next classroom session. Till that, people has to